So if you have recently started a YouTube channel or are planning to, I am going to share with you some affordable entry-level gear that can significantly improve the quality, production value, and overall look and feel of your videos. So let's begin. Starting with microphones, there are two main categories, wireless and wired. First, let's talk about wireless microphones, which have become quite popular these days. A lot of people prefer wireless mics. And one of the best affordable options I found is the Grenaro Wireless Mic. I picked this up for around Rs 3,000 back then, but it's now available for about 2,200 to 2,300, making it a fantastic deal. This mic comes with two units, one receiver that directly connects to your phone and two transmitters that you can use for different purposes. Whether you are doing a podcast, an interview, or just using one transmitter at a time, it's super versatile. Plus, this mic is designed for smartphones with a Type-C connection, so you can use it directly with your phone and even charge your phone simultaneously while recording. If you are looking for an affordable wireless option, the Grenaro mic is definitely worth considering. Now, if you are ready to invest a bit more, say around 7,500, the Lark M1 Hollyland is another excellent choice. And if you stretch your budget to Rs 15,000, the Lark M2 Hollyland is a superb option that offers professional quality audio. Moving on to wired mics. For those on a tighter budget, say around Rs 8,000 to 1,000, the Boya M1 is a fantastic wired microphone. I used this mic for almost a year when I started my YouTube journey 3 years ago. The main advantage of wired mics is that you won't experience any audio dropouts, which can sometimes happen with wireless mics if you move too far from the camera. The Boya M1 offers dual modes, so you can use it with both cameras and smartphones, making it a highly versatile and reliable choice. Let's talk about lights. Lighting is crucial for video production, and the first light I want to recommend is the Ulanzi Light. I bought this model for around Rs 2,500, and it's a great investment for indoor video creators. It's compact, lightweight, and wireless. You just need to charge it via Type-C. What's cool is that it's an RGB light with various modes, so you can create different effects. There's also a standard mode where you can use white light, and it has a 360-degree color spectrum, allowing you to pick any color you need. If you are looking to invest in something more advanced, the Godox SL60W Light is a pro-level option available for around Rs 10,000. It's one of the best lights I have used on my YouTube channel. The light has a mount that allows you to attach various soft boxes, making your light softer and more professional looking. Although the light's temperature doesn't change, it offers great intensity and is perfect for face cam videos. Next is ring lights. A lot of people ask about ring lights, and one that I highly recommend is the DigiTech ring light with an 18-inch diameter. I bought it for around Rs 3,000, and now it's available for about 2,500. The cool thing is it comes with a remote allowing you to adjust the brightness from a distance. Although it's not RGB, you can still change the color temperature, which is a nice feature. Ring lights are also space efficient, and they come with a mobile stand, so you can easily attach your phone or even a camera. However, a small drawback is if you wear glasses, you might get some reflection. But overall, this ring light is a great investment, especially if you are just starting out. Let's talk about stands. If you're getting a ring light, you will definitely need a good stand. I recommend a tripod that extends up to 6 to 6.5 feet. It's sturdy, easy to use, and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Another stand I found really useful is a compact tabletop stand available for around Rs 350 only. It comes with a mobile clamp and a ball head that allows you to adjust the angle in any direction, making it ideal for live streaming or recording videos from your desk. And finally, post-production gear. While it's not directly related to video production, a good external hard drive like the Sandisk hard drive is essential for storing your footage. I have been using this drive for about 4 to 5 years, and it's incredibly reliable. It comes with both Type-C and Thunderbolt ports, making it versatile and compatible with different devices. Another cool accessory is the Telesin neck holder mount, which I bought for around Rs 1500. It's perfect for shooting POV videos, hands-free, whether you are tracking something or need both hands free for other tasks. So those were some of the top 10 or maybe even 11 accessories that I recommend investing in if you are serious about creating YouTube videos. Each one of these can help you up your game, making your content look and sound more professional. Until next time, take care and keep creating.